how to set up the Rithmic mobile app. You can trade with it with TradingView like I do, or you can use it on your phone, which I also do, and not have to use that pain in the ass Ninja Trader that everyone struggles setting up. Step one is you're going to go to Google and we're going to download the Our Trader Pro program on the desktop. You have to do it on your desktop. For now, there isn't a way to sign the CME contract, which is what we're doing to download the Our Trader Pro via your cell phone that I know of. I heard there's a workaround, but I don't know how to find it. Is what you're going to Google Our Trader Pro download, and then Google that. And then this first link that pops up here on Google, download software, we're going to click that. Now, don't download this one. Click that one and let it download on your computer. And then once you have it on your computer, go ahead and open it up. Okay, and then this is what you have right here, right? We need to get the username and password from Bulenox, copy and paste it into there. You go to your Bulenox account, sign in, and then scroll to the very, very bottom, and then you'll see your username and password on your Bulenox account. Copy, paste it in at the top where it says user ID. Make sure you check to make sure you have no white spaces in there. What they mean by that is blank spaces. There, I had a blank one in there. Paste it at the bottom as well. Go ahead and copy your password as well. Paste that in there too. Make sure you click remember me so you don't have to do this all over again. You need to make sure that you're on Rithmic paper trading. Out of all the options here, click Rithmic paper trading and make sure you have it on the second one as well. Choose the gateway. By gateway, it's just an area. I'm closest to Chicago. Click whichever area you're closest to. Click orders on, market data on, allow plugins on, and aggregated quotes on, and push login. All right, the market's closed right now, but I already have signed the contract. So what will happen is when you push this, a contract will pop up. Go ahead and sign it and agree to everything it wants you to agree to, but do not choose professional market data. Choose non-professional, so you don't have to use the professional data. That would cost extra money and there's no real benefit to it. And once you've done all that, you signed it, you can go ahead and close it out. Just go ahead and push cancel here. Go back to Google. We're going to type in Rithmic mobile app. This one that pops up right here is the one we're going to click on. Right here in this first paragraph, that is the link to the browser app. I'll also walk you through on how to get it on your phone, but we'll start with the web. Go ahead and click that. Same username and password that you used to sign into the desktop app. You're going to copy and paste it in here. On this one, you can choose Rithmic paper trading or the Rithmic paper trading beta. Doesn't matter. Sometimes when the Rithmic is down, it won't work, but the Rithmic beta will still work. Go ahead and click that. Choose the closest area you're to. If it starts off light, you can change it to dark, like I have it on that setting. Now that you have it open, you're going to push sign in. Yours is probably white, right? And probably doesn't have ES, NQ, and MES here, but we're going to go walk through that right now. I'm going to go ahead and delete mine. So I'll walk you guys through it. This plus button in the top right hand corner, going to press that. You're going to push ES dot CME in caps because CME is the provider of the data. We're just going to push plus. Now we have that one. Let's go in Q, CM, CME. And then, oh, I didn't push plus, did I? All right. Make sure you push enter. I like to have MES on there. When I need to punt them, I can like just take one on and off for my trading days. Now that those are in there, now how do you trade with this? Let's check this out. This is your main screen that it's going to be on. Let me zoom in. This is the main screen. And if you click this over button, it has a little DOM there. If you had the market data, it would show the bid and the ask. You have a reverse, cancel all, and cancel all and flatten. And then another little DOM that's a little bit better. That has join bid and ask. And these are your working orders, the ones that are complete and working. And you don't need to worry about this. Do not try to do this. It won't work. And I think it could possibly mess with your account. And then you see these little dash lines there. If you press that, you also have a reverse all, cancel all, flatten all. If you push the setting button up here, you can change the account Click that, you can change to another account. And then this is also where you can set a bracket order. I'm not sure what the count in that stands for. I'm not sure order book prices. Let's go over. All right, now here is your bracket. So you go quantity 1, cancel after 20 seconds if it doesn't get filled. And then you can have it cancel the order. I'm not sure what this page is either. I don't mess with it. All right, here is your bracket. If you turn that on, you have your target, which is 10 ticks. I don't use this, but if you wanted to, you could use it for a stop loss. Probably be really helpful. And bracket trailing stop. Oh, that's a trailing stop. Hold on. I got to fix that on that one. I didn't realize it's a trailing stop. That's cool. I didn't know it had a trailing stop. This video has actually helped me too. All right. And let's see what this button does. I want it to cancel at the end of the day. For me, the market ends at 1 o'clock. I'm going to say, but if you do trade up until the close, you might want to make this like, let's go cancel at 13, which if you're in the East Coast, it'd be 17. Okay. It's all set up. Now let's go ahead and show you how I use this desktop one with TradingView. Click this over, and then I'm going to change the size of this so it's not so damn big. I'll bring this over as far as it will go. I'm going to pull up TradingView. I'm going to minimize it, and then I'm going to edge it all the way over, bring it up, bring this one down. Okay, now it's good. And then let's say I like the split screen on. If you're not using TradingView, you should. It's so much better than NinjaTrader. All right, turn electric chowers on, and then boom, ES, that. There you go. Now, if I want to trade, let's walk through how you'll trade it. Let's choose an account. This one's a new eval. New eval. Do I want to go long or short here? I would say short. Let's sell one, which I did market order. You push sell. This is market order, limit order, stop limit, stop market. I just mark it in the order because there is no spread, right? I'm going to sell into the market. I have NQ here. I'm in the market. I sold one. Where do I want to put my stop? I'm going to put my stop below this high. Let's go to the buy side because your stop limit is a buy limit order. I'm going to go to SL. It's a buy stop limit. To get out at that number, push the numbers to the right, it moves faster. There, now the stop loss at 59, which is an insane stop. Let's check out this. What does this do? This is your accounts. Let's say I wanted to get out of this trade really quickly. You just double press that, press it twice, and it gets you out of that account. If you press this twice, it gets you out of any account you're trading with. To switch accounts, like I said, you would just go boom. You just switch between the numbers. You press that down, it shows your accounts. You press it, and then voila. And then if you go here, you can change the dark mode. I like it dark mode. And the font size, I like it the lowest. And then transparency, I like that on. These are the different products you have, which you can exit out of them here, which I don't recommend you doing. You can add more there. All right, so let's say this trade's going against me. Well, how do I get out? To get out, you can just buy that one you sold, because you sold one, now you just buy, and it gets you out. And then you come over and make sure you always cancel it with any orders you have left in the market. Boom. That's it. That's how you use it. And then if you want to use it on your phone, you just go to Google Play and download it off of Google Play, and the setup's the same. It works the same. It looks the same. It is the same. And you can use your double screen. If you go split screen, you can use it with TradingView. That's what I do on my phone. Check out my website. It is verifiedtraderfunding.com. Subscribe and get the newest sales sent to you. I am now sending out emails, which are my newsletter. If you get my newsletter, make sure you reply to the email, reply, hey, it will no longer put it in the spam box. If you come to the discount page, Bulenox, there's Apex, Take Profit, Topstep, which I just passed an eval with them. They're not accepting new traders yet, but I'll let you guys know when they are. Uprofit, which has a 150K freedom account, which is really cool. Tick Trader, they have straight to funding, no evals. The funded traders are probably the best Forex prop firm. This is my second channel. It is JKT Market Mastery. I have a lot of videos. They're all based on trading strategies, how to trade. I do trade ICT concepts. I trade just about every strategy. I add them all into my trading. I've just taken the best of each and then added them into my trading. But if you want, you can click the right-hand corner right now. Click on that. It will take you to my page. check it out, subscribe. And then also on this video right here, there is a Bulenox giveaway. You can enter it and win a 50K account. I'm giving away one on that video. Here is my Twitter. It is also named JKT Market Mastery, but at Jared King is my handle. I post the sales. I also post a lot of market information, all kinds of stuff from setups, signals to advice, all that good stuff. Check that out. I also have Facebook groups. I have trader funding for ETF, verified trader funding group. I post the discounts. It'd be a different way for you guys to get the discounts. Maybe you don't like having to go to my website all the time. You can always come here and check here. Then I have Inner Circle Trading, ICT, which is all about the ICT concepts and that kind of thing. It's a good group, 3K people in the group as of now. It's kind of grown bigger than I wanted it to, but it's still a really good group. A lot of good traders in there. And then I also have a Discord as well. Check that out too. It's Inner Circle Trading, ICT. I will put the link in the description for all of the socials. So check that out. And you guys have a good week trading.